Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering hardware and permissions, get night vision goggles or the Fisch night vision mod, and charge a spare battery to full. Once done, enable mod support in Fisch settings so the game accepts the equipment. Make sure you have a stable tripod or mount for calibration, and choose a low-light test area to confirm function. You do this now because early validation prevents wasted time later, and it lets you calibrate optics before complex steps. Next, install and configure. Place the night vision mod or drivers into Fisch/mods, replacing any older versions, and restart the game. Then calibrate infrared sensitivity. Begin at gain 1, 5 and raise to 2. 5 if shadows are weak. This balances noise versus brightness. Also adjust in-game contrast and set the display refresh to 60 Hz or your monitor's native rate so motion stays smooth. Make sure to test with moving targets. This reveals lag and helps refine gain and contrast together. To finish, run a full test mission with the night vision active and record footage to evaluate clarity and latency. If the image is grainy, reduce IR gain 1 step or enable denoise filters. If you see lag, turn off heavy overlay effects and lower render scale. Make sure to carry spare batteries and document the original mod state so you can roll back if needed. If something still fails, revert to defaults and reapply changes one at a time to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.